So we got two big point of controls right here that should be holding as support. So if the price of Bitcoin does come down to 29,350, I expect a potential short-term bounce from this level, at least to the 618 from this drop. And there you have the Bitcoin price getting that bounce from that huge point of control of the $29,300 range, already hitting that take profit one that we mentioned in today's live stream. We're going to go through this in today's episode. And of course, we're going to just take a look at the 1 hourly to take a look at the most important levels where we could potentially find trading opportunities in the next coming days, guys. Straight to the point. So make sure to smash up the like button. Let's get straight into the video. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily tell you on Bitcoin, crypto, also the live streams, connect with the community. Let's dive in here, guys. I am not a financial advisor, and I want to quickly remind that if this video gets over 2,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. So make sure to do that if you want some Bitcoin. So let's dive in here, guys. The scenario that we talked about today, this morning on the live stream, was potential day trader, potential scalp opportunity, because we are range trading in between $30,600 and $28,600, but there's major opportunities inside of this range. Okay, we're doing range trading, and what we did spot today is that potential retracement, okay, on the Bitcoin price to that $29,300 area. Looking at the point of control from every day, we can see here on the 21st and also on the 24th, we had a major big level, as you can see with this red horizontal line, and this was also hitting that 50% 618 Fibonacci from the lows to the highs, as you can see, between 50%, 618. It's a major opportunity to get into a quick scalp. And we talked about also the take profit area, hitting that 618 level from the high to the lows, as you can see, to perfection. I already took profits, okay, 60% of profits. I am protected inside of my position here, just in case the Bitcoin price does have another leg up, all right? But totally protected, already taking profits. And this is the beauty about taking a look at these major levels, all right? Range trading inside this sideways action, as you can see on the chart. Remember, for all of those experienced traders on Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform, you get up to $4,050 worth of bonus. You need to follow the steps in the rewards hub. You also get 0% maker fee for 30 days by signing up with my link in the description. Prime XBT, my favorite for day trading, up to $7,000 worth of bonus. You basically get 7% added to your deposit. You get 7% added to your deposit. I got full video tutorials down below in the description also of these platforms. Now, let's take a look at what could happen, all right? Because this is getting really boring. I know a lot of people want some breakouts, okay? Want to break out from this zone or break down from this major support level. And what we've been talking about, okay, for the last few days, I'm going to repeat it again because it's a super important range. And if I take a look at the VPVR, we got the value area high, like I mentioned, from the volume traded right over here for the last 15-16 days. It's right over here at the $31,800. We got that major weekly level, okay? This is for all of those subscribers that are new. Major weekly level, getting it pretty clear and simple right there from July. As you can see, weekly close and open. If we go back here to the 1 hourly chart, we can see it has been major resistance zone. As soon as we broke down below this range here, the beginning of May, it was major resistance. We didn't manage to get above this level. So a potential rejection here at that 31.8 or even $32,000 area. If that does happen in the next coming weeks, I am expecting a potential rejection if we do start consolidating, because you could have a big major pump and, you know, see the price just absolutely blast through this range. And then obviously I'm not interested in trading this. I am interested in trading, you know, the potential consolidation here for potential rejection and continuation to the downside in this huge big macro trend. Now, what would be the bearish case scenario in the short term, bullish one? Well, if we do start rolling down from this level, break the support range, okay, at the $28,600, we've been talking about this for the last few days. This is going to be a major resistance level. There's going to be short-term trading opportunities where you will get a potential big bounce here from the value area low as resistance, continue to the downside. And here's the level that I am waiting for a potential double bottom. Why is this? Because if I go to the 4 hourly chart, this is a major level. Okay, as you can see, it's the 4 hourly close and open that we did have on the 12th of May, right over here, just round about that 27.6K range. And if we take a look at fib levels from the low to the high, this peak over here, it is round about that 618 Fibonacci retracement, as you can see, the 27.6. So it's super important level. I do expect if the BTC price does come down there, we're going to see some volatility and a big potential bounce to this range over here where we could be getting rejection. So a lot of opportunities everywhere, guys. You just need to pay attention to the chart and find out about these levels. Also, this is a major channel right over here. It's a sideways channel, as you can see, and the potential projected move of a channel breakout is the width of the channel. So you can speculate that from the width of the channel, from the breakdown, you could see some volatility even hitting $27,000. All right, to a major wick, looking for that double bottom, getting that resistance, getting that support from 27.6, but can come as low as $27,000. And if we do break that resistance area, we're looking for that 32.2 approximately, where we are going to hit the wicks, okay, from this major resistance. And then if we start getting below this range and getting that volatility, this is what I'm expecting, a potential rejection after potentially hitting that 32.2, okay, channel breakout target. All right, guys, so this is what I'm looking for the next coming days. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, check out the Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Thank you for joining for this quick update. Smash up the like button and I'll see you in the next one.